Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here today. We have just loved our time in Slovenia.
Najlepša hvala, da ste prišli v tem večeru, zelo uživava tu v Sloveniji.
We feel like it is home.
In se počutiva kakor doma.
Thank you for welcoming us into your country and into your hearts.
In hvala, da ste nas tako toplo sprejeli v vašo deželo in v vaša srca.
We are so excited about this message because we really believe it can transform relationships.
In tako sva navdušena nad tem sporočilom, zato ker iskreno verjameva, da lahko spremeni medsebojne odnose.
Many people ask me where Emerson got the information for this book that he wrote.
In mnogo ljudi me vpraša, pa kje je Emerson sploh dobil snov za svojo knjigo?
As you know, he's lived with me for 40 years, so that's where he got all the information.
In kakor veste, z menoj že 40 let prebiva, torej je dobil kar veliko tematike za svojo knjigo.
I'll be sharing with you a little more after the break, but for now I'll pass it on to my husband.
In po pauzi bom malce več podelila z vami, sedaj pa bom besedo predala Emersonu.
Thank you. Well, we are honored to be with you.
Res sva počaščena, da sva lahko tu z vami.
We are both humbled and honored by your presence.
Zelo smo počaščeni, da ste nocoj prišli.
And we have been so warmly received in the country. We feel, as Sarah said, this is like home.
In res tako, kakor je Sara rekla, toplo sva bila sprejeta v vašo deželo in zares se počutiva kakor doma.
And the hospitality at G Design has been superb.
Gostoljubnost hotela G Design je res na vrhuncu.
And if the Slovenians are like Rok, we feel like family.
In če so vsi Slovenci kako Rok, potem se počutimo vsi kot družina.
So thank you to one
Torej
and all.
hvala vsem vam.
Male and female differences.
Razlike med moškimi in ženskami.
We are equal, but we're not the same.
Smo enakovredni, vendar nismo enaki.
A wife says,
Žena pravi,
I have nothing to wear.
jaz nimam nič za obleči.
She means she has nothing new.
In kar pomeni, da nima ničesar novega.
Her husband says, I have nothing to wear.
In mož reče, jaz nimam ničesar za obleči.
What he means is he has nothing clean.
Kar on s tem misli je to, da nima ničesar opranega.
And we say the same words.
Povemo iste besede.
I have nothing to wear.
Jaz nimam ničesar za obleči.
I have nothing to wear.
Jaz nimam ničesar za obleči.
Same words.
Iste besede.
But we mean something different.
Pomenijo pa nekaj povsem drugega.
And that's an innocent illustration.
In to je zelo nedolžna ilustracija.
But many times in our conversations,
Ampak mnogokrat v našem pogovoru
we're saying things that the other doesn't understand the meaning.
govorimo stvari, za katere drug nasprotnik sploh ne razume.
And it results in a conflict,
In to povzroči konflikt.
a misunderstanding.
Nerazumevanje.
Have you ever had a conversation when suddenly the issue didn't seem to be the issue?
Ali ste kdaj imeli pogovor z nekom, ko naenkrat tista prvotna zadeva sploh ni bila več tako pomembna?
And you see their spirit deflate.
In vidite, kako nekomu upade obraz?
What is the issue when the issue isn't the
V
issue?
čem je prvotna težava? V čem je težava, če prvotna težava to ni več?
I'm going to share that with you.
No, to bom kasneje podelil z vami.
I believe there's one thing going on in her
Jaz verjamem, da se ena stvar dogaja znotraj nje,
and one thing going on in him,
druga stvar v njemu,
and they're not the same.
in to nista isti zadevi.
But let's see if I can persuade you.
No, da vidimo, če vas lahko prepričam.
You don't have to accept what I'm saying right away.
In seveda vam ni potrebno takoj sprejeti, kar vam govorim.
But let me illustrate how this happens with Sarah and me.
Ampak ne ilustriram, kako se to dogaja med Saro in menoj.
When we were first married, we traveled several hours to be with my parents at their home.
Na začetku najinega zakona sva Saro potovala kar nekaj ur, da sva lahko obiskala moje starše.
And after we arrived and before I was ready to go to bed,
In potem, ko sva prišla in tik preden sva se odpravljala v posteljo,
I realized I had forgotten my contact lens case.
sem ugotovil, da sem pozabil moje leče.
At that time I wore
Ne,
contacts.
takrat sem še nosil leče.
Oh, brother.
Ojoj.
So I decided to improvise.
In sem se odločil, da bom improviziral.
I got 2 juice glasses
Vzel sem 2 kozarčka za džus
and I put water in each juice
in
glass.
vsakega sem natočil vodo.
And I was in the bathroom,
Bil sem v kopalnici,
and I took out my contact and
in
put it in one of the
vzel
juice
sem eno
glasses.
lečo in jo dal v en kozarček,
And took out the other one and put
vzel
it in
drugo
there.
lečo ven, dal drugi kozarček
And then I took the 2 juice glasses and put them on the back of the toilet.
in potem sem ta dva kozarčka vzel in jo postavil na zadnjo stranico stranišča.
And then I went to bed.
In sem šel spat.
Got up in the morning,
Zjutraj sem stal,
got the juice glass, poured it
vzel
out,
en kozarček,
put the contact
dal
in,
lečo not,
got the other juice
vzel
glass.
drug kozarček,
There is no contact.
ni leče,
It's gone.
ni je več.
Sarah was in the other room with my parents.
In Sara je bila v drugi sobi skupaj z mojimi starši
I yelled, Sarah, Sarah,
in sem zaklical: Sara, Sara,
did you use one of those juice glasses last night in the bathroom?
ali si ti morda uporabila katerega izmed tistih kozarčkov v kopalnici?
She yelled back, no,
In
no.
ona je odgovorila nazaj: ne, ne.
Yes.
Ja,
I got up in the middle of the night and took a pill and used one of those glasses.
sredi noči sem morala vstati in sem uporabila enega izmed teh kozarčkov.
She swallowed my contact.
Pogoltnila je mojo lečo.
Then my dad suggested on how we could get it back.
In potem nam je oče predlagal, na kakšen način jo lahko dobiva nazaj.
But I got angry at Sarah in front of my
Ampak
parents.
takrat sem se zjezil na Saro v pričo mojih staršev.
I said, I can't believe you drank my contact.
In sem rekel: ne morem verjeti, da si popila mojo lečo.
She said, I can't believe that you'd put your contact in 2 juice glasses on the back of the
Ne
toilet.
morem verjeti, da si jih ti v bistvu dal v kozarček in tam postavil tam na stranišču.
I said, I can't believe that you would drink out of a juice glass on the back of
Rekel,
the
jaz ne
toilet.
morem verjeti, da bi ti sploh pila iz tazga kozarčka, ki je na stranišču.
We got in this fight.
In so se sporekla,
But at a certain point, her spirit deflated.
ampak v določenem trenutku je bila ona prizadeta, obraz je upadel.
It was no longer about the swallowed contact.
In ni se šlo več za to pogoltnjeno lečo.
That was a real issue,
To je bila prvotna težava,
but it was no longer the root issue.
ampak to ni bila korenina težave.
Well, what was the issue if the issue wasn't the issue?
V čem je bila potem težava, če ta težava ni bila prvotna težava?
I'll tell you in a moment.
No, čez nekaj trenutkov vam bom povedal.
Several months later, we went home to be with my parents again over Christmas.
No, in nekaj mesecev kasneje sva se ponovno vrnila na obisk k mojim staršem, tokrat za Božič.
And Sarah is a farm girl from Indiana. She's a Hoosier.
Sara je odraščala v Indijani na kmetiji
Her dad farmed 2,000 acres of corn.
in oče je imel več kot 800 hektarjev, veliko polje koruze.
And being a farm girl, she can do everything.
In ker je odraščala na kmetih, ona je znala vse.
Well, for Christmas, she made me a special gift.
In za Božič mi je pripravila posebno darilo.
I didn't know what it was, but it was a jean jacket.
Jaz takrat nisem vedel, kaj je to, ampak sešila mi je džins jakno.
She was all excited about giving me that as her last and special gift Christmas
In
morning.
bila je povsem navdušena, da mi bo izročila to darilo, ki ga je prihranila za poslednje.
And that moment came when she gave me that gift.
In prišel je ta trenutek, ko naj bi mi izročila to darilo.
I opened it up and put on the jean jacket.
Jaz sem ga odprl, si nadel džins jakno
I said, thank you.
in sem rekel: hvala.
She's watching me.
In ona me opazuje
She says, you don't like it.
in pravi: ne, ni ti všeč.
I do like it.
Sem rekel: ja, všeč mi je.
She says, you don't like it.
Ne, ni ti všeč.
I do like it.
Sem rekel: ja, všeč mi je.
You don't like it.
Ne, ni ti všeč.
I said, Sarah, why are you saying I don't like this?
Sem rekel: Sara, zakaj govoriš, da mi ni všeč?
Because in our family, when we like something, we say, thank you, 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 thank you.
Zato, ker v naši družini, ko nam je nekaj všeč, rečemo: hvala, 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 hvala.
I said, in our family, we say thank you.
Ko v naši družini pa rečemo: hvala.
But at a certain moment, my spirit deflated.
Ampak v določenem trenutku je meni upadel duh, bil sem prizadet.
It was no longer about the jean jacket.
In ni se šlo več za tole džins jakno.
I was feeling something deeper.
V globini sem občutil nekaj povsem drugega.
What was that deeper issue?
Kaj pa je bila ta druga težava?
I'll tell you in a moment.
No, čez nekaj trenutkov vam bom povedal.
Or suppose your partner,
Naprimer, da vaš partner,
this beautiful woman,
ta čudovita ženska,
comes to you and says, I feel fat, I feel ugly, I've put on 15 pounds and I have
Pride
nothing to wear.
k vam in reče: joj, počutim se grda, debela, zredila sem se več kot 7 kil in nimam nič za obleči.
And you listen to her.
In vi jo poslušate.
The next day you're walking down the street and you go by a bookstore.
Naslednji dan greste mimo po ulici in zagledate knjigarno.
And the lead book is Dieting for Today's Slovenian Woman.
Uspešnica je dieta za sodobno slovensko žensko.
So you go in and you buy it.
Torej greste v knjigarno in jo kupite.
And you bring it home and you give it to
In jo
her.
prinesete domov in jo poklonite.
And she turns into a rocket ship.
In ona povsem znori. Eksplodira.
And she screams through her pink megaphone into your blue hearing
In
aids.
kriči skozi svoj rožnat megafon v tvoje modre slušalke.
You men have two brains.
Vi
Two
moški
brains.
imate dvoje vrst možganov.
One's lost and the other's out looking for
Eni
it.
so se izgubili in drugi jih še vedno iščejo.
She calls him a brainless idiot.
In ga je ravno kar imenovala, da je totalen kreten.
Why would she do that?
In zakaj bi to storila?
Because at a certain point the issue isn't about the diet book.
Zato, ker v določeni točki se ne gre več za to knjigo o dieti.
Well, what is the issue if the issue isn't the diet
V
book?
čem pa je potem težava, če prvotna težava ni v tej knjigi za dieto?
I'll tell you in a
No,
moment.
čez nekaj trenutkov vam bom povedal.
Several weeks later, she's walking down that street
No, in nekaj tednov kasneje gre ona po ulici
and she comes by the same bookstore.
in gre mimo te iste knjigarne.
And the lead book,
In glavna uspešnica je sedaj
The Key to Marital Happiness, Communication.
ključ do zakonske sreče, komunikacija.
She goes in and she looks at this
Gre
book.
noter, jo vzame, jo pogleda,
Ah, that's us.
prelista in reče, to sva
That's
midva.
us.
Ja, pa to sva tudi midva.
So she purchases this book.
In kupi to knjigo.
This is the third book she's bought for the two of them to read in the last 12 months.
In to je že tretja zakonska knjiga, ki jo je kupila za njiju dva v zadnjih 12 mesecih.
And she brings it home and she reads it from cover to
In jo
cover.
prinese domov in jo prebere od prve do zadnje strani.
She says, he
In
needs to
reče,
read this.
evo, to bi moral on prebrati.
But he's been busy. He's really been busy.
On je tako zaposlen,
He's
nima
been working
časa.
long hours.
Tako veliko dela,
He doesn't have time to read it from
nima
cover to cover.
časa, da bi jo prebral od prve do zadnje strani.
So I'll highlight in yellow some of the key
Mu bom kar
sections.
podčrtala tiste pomembne stvari.
Then she takes the book and sets it on the stand next to the
Potem
recliner that he reclines in when he watches football.
Vzame knjigo in jo da na njegovo mizico, poleg njegovega naslonjača, s katerega on gleda nogometne tekme.
And he comes in to the room and he sees that book.
Pride domov v sobo in zagleda to knjigo in reče,
That's the third marriage book she's purchased for the two of us to read.
to je že tretja zakonska knjiga, ki jo je za naju kupila.
First two marriage books we read together, we got in huge fights.
Zaradi prvih dveh knjig, ki sva jih prebrala, sva se hudo sporekla.
If I say anything about the marriage, I get in trouble.
In če bom karkoli rekel v zakonu, bom zašel v težave.
If I don't say anything, I'm going to
No,
get
ja.
in trouble.
Če nič ne rečem, bojo spet težave.
But if I don't say anything, I'm going to get in less trouble.
Ampak če nič ne rečem, bo manj težav.
And he ignores it.
In totalno ignorira.
Why would he ignore the book?
In zakaj bi on ignoriral to knjigo?
Because at a certain point, the issue is not about the marriage book.
Zato, ker v določenem trenutku se ne gre več za to zakonsko knjigo.
But what is the issue if the issue isn't the marriage book?
V čem pa je potem težava, če globina težave ni v tej zakonski knjigi?
I'm getting close to tell
No,
you.
sedaj se približujem temu, kar vam bom povedal.
The University of Washington in the United States studied 2,000 couples for 20 years.
Univerza v Washingtonu je v obdobju 20 let preučevala 2000 parov.
And they said, we now know the two key ingredients for successful
In
marriages.
rekli so, sedaj poznamo dve ključni sestavini za uspešen zakon.
And when those two ingredients are not present, the relationship, the partnership usually goes under.
In če te dve sestavini nista prisotni, potem ta odnos propade.
They had what they called a love laboratory.
In takrat so naredili neke vrste, oni so to imenovali laboratorij ljubezni.
They had MDs and PhDs, clinicians studying, observing.
Doktori in strokovnjaki so jih proučevali, analizirali.
They had the couples wired, heartbeats, blood pressure.
Pare so dali na monitorje in so jim merili srčni utrip, pritisk.
And when you live in that environment after a while, you ignore the doctors.
In če dolgo časa živiš v takem okolju, potem sčasoma ignoriraš zdravnike.
And when you get mad at each other, you just forget they're there and you
In
come at each
ko
other.
se zjeziš na nekoga, enostavno pozabiš, da so tam in se zares zjeziš.
And they watched how those couples interacted.
In so opazovali, na kakšen način teli pari ravnajo drug z drugim.
See, and up to this point, many researchers thought that it was all these problems that caused relationships to go under.
Do tega trenutka je večino strokovnjakov mislilo, da so razne težave tiste, ki povzročajo razpad odnosa.
Money problems,
Naprimer.
sex problems, in-law problems.
Finančne težave, težave na spolnem področju, težave s tastom in s taščo.
And the thinking was if people didn't have those problems, they could have a great
In
relationship.
razmišljali so, če ljudje ne bi imeli teh težav, potem bi imeli krasen odnos.
It made sense that that would be the case.
In povsem logično se je zdelo, da bi bilo lahko temu
But
tako.
what they recognized is that some of those couples had many problems,
Ampak potem so ugotovili, da mnogi izmed teh parov so imeli ogromno teh
but they
vrst
had
težav.
but they had a great partnership.
Ampak so imeli izredno dober odnos.
Other couples had very few problems,
Drugi pari pa so imeli izredno malo takih težav
and the relationship didn't last.
in njihov odnos je trajal.
And they began to realize that we as researchers and counselors had failed to see the root issue.
In potem so ugotovili, da so svetovalci in raziskovalci popolnoma zgrešili smisel in niso videli korenine problema.
What they said the root issue is this:
In kar so povedali, da je korenina problema, je bilo tole.
love and respect.
Ljubezen in spoštovanje.
Love and respect.
Ljubezen in spoštovanje.
It's common sense,
A ne, sedaj se to zdi logično.
but we don't always see how important it is
Ampak se ne zavedamo vedno, kako pomembno je to.
because we're not trying to be unloving or disrespectful.
Zato, ker se ne trudimo biti neljubeči ali nespoštljivi.
So, for instance, the man says to his partner, "What'd you do with that 500 euros?
Naprimer, da moški reče svoji partnerici, pa kaj si naredila s temi 500 evri?
You spin, 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 spin.
Ti kar naprej zapravljaš in zapravljaš in zapravljaš.
We need to stay on budget.
A ne, morava ostati v mejah najnega budžeta.
I can't believe you."
Ne morem verjeti.
And at a certain point, her spirit deflates.
In v določenem trenutku je ona prizadeta
She walks out of the room.
in odkoraka ven iz sobe.
3 years later, they're divorced.
3 leta kasneje sta ločena.
He's at a bar drinking a beer.
On je v baru, pije pivo
He's talking to the bartender.
in se pogovarja z natakarjem.
You know, if we didn't have those money problems, we'd have a great relationship.
In reče, veš kaj, če midva ne bi imela teh finančnih težav, potem bi imela super odnos.
No, 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 no.
Ne.
It was his unloving, negative attitude toward her heart that deflated her.
Ampak ta njegova negativna, neljubeča drža do nje je bila tista, ki jo je prizadela in je njen duh upadel.
She can handle a loving conversation about money management.
Ona bi prenesla nek ljubeč pogovor o ravnanju z denarjem.
It was the lack of love that deflated her.
Ampak pomankanje ljubezni je bilo tisto, kar jo je prizadelo.
Or when we have our conferences in America,
In naprimer, kadar imamo konference v Ameriki,
it's a 2-day conference, Friday night and Saturday, half day.
imamo dvodnevno konferenco v petek zvečer in potem v soboto.
And many times couples stay at a hotel like G Design.
In mnogokrat pari potem prenočijo v hotelu, kot naprimer v G-Designu.
And the grandparents are keeping the children.
In takrat stari starši čuvajo otroke.
So after the Friday night session,
Torej,
the man and woman are on the way to their
Po
hotel.
petkovem večeru, ne, mož in žena gresta do hotela
And he says to her, "Do you want to be sexually
in
intimate?"
on ji reče, a bi rada bila spolno intimna?
And she replies,
In ona reče,
"Is that all you ever think about, you animal? Is sex, sex, sex,
a je
sex?"
to vse, o čemer ti lahko razmišljaš, sam seks, 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 ti si ena navadna žival?
His spirit deflates.
In takrat je on prizadet.
He leaves the hotel and doesn't
In
come back until
on
early in the morning.
odkoraka iz hotela in ne pride do jutra.
3 years later, they're divorced.
In 3 leta kasneje sta ločena.
She's talking to all of her girlfriends.
In ona se pogovarja s svojimi
You know, if
prijateljicami.
we didn't have those sex problems, we'd have a great
Veš,
relationship.
če midva ne bi imela teh težav s seksom, bi imela super odnos.
But it wasn't about sex, as real as that was.
Ampak ni se šlo za seks, čeprav je bila to realna težava.
The root issue was her disrespectful, contemptuous negativity toward his heart, calling him an animal.
Korenina problema je bila njen prezirljiv način zaničevanja, ko mu je rekla v bistvu, da je ena navadna žival in je bila nespoštljiva.
If she were to respectfully say,
Če bi ona na spoštljiv način rekla,
can we just be close tonight and talk without being sexually intimate?
a sva midva lahko si samo blizu v tem večeru in se pogovarjala, brez da bi bila spolno intimna?
I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I just need your strength and I need to just talk.
Ne poskušam biti nespoštljiva, ampak samo potrebujem tvojo moč in rabim tvoj pogovor in objem.
He's not going to like what she just said,
Njemu seveda ne bo všeč, ker mu je ravno kar povedala,
but he won't leave.
ampak zaradi tega ne bo odkorakal.
Love and respect.
Ljubezen in spoštovanje.
Now, we all need love and respect equally.
Seveda vsi enakovredno potrebujemo ljubezen in spoštovanje.
But did you notice I said she deflated over the lack of love and he deflated over the lack of
Ste
respect?
opazili, ona je bila prizadeta zaradi pomankanja ljubezni, on pa je bil prizadet zaradi pomankanja spoštovanja.
My organization does research.
In moja organizacija ravno tako dela raziskave
We've surveyed 25,000 people so far.
in smo naredili raziskavo med, you said how many?
25,000.
Med 25,000 ljudmi.
But of that, 7,000 people, we asked this question.
Ampak od teh smo jih 7,000 postavili tole vprašanje.
When you're in a conflict with your spouse or significant other,
Kadar se znajdete v sporu za svojim partnerjem ali s katero drugo pomembno osebo,
do you feel unloved at that moment or disrespected?
ali se v tistem trenutku počutite neljubljene ali nespoštovane?
The men said, 83% of the men said they feel disrespected at that moment.
83% moških je dejalo, da se v tistem trenutku počutijo nespoštovane.
And 72% of the women say they feel unloved.
In 72% žena je reklo, da se ne počutijo ljubljene.
That's as different as pink is from blue.
In to je tako različno, kakor je rožnata barva od modre.
Now again, we all need love and respect equally.
In se ponavljam, vsi enakovredno potrebujemo tako ljubezen, kakor spoštovanje.
But the felt need during conflict is different.
Ampak temeljna potreba v času konflikta pa je drugačna.
There are numerous reasons for that, but let me give you
In
one.
zato obstajajo različni razlogi, naj vam povem samo enega.
All researchers have observed women,
Vsi raziskovalci so opazovali ženske
and it's recognized at the level of intimacy
in prepoznali so, da na tej ravni intimnosti
that women love to love.
ženske enostavno rade ljubijo.
It's within their nature to nurture.
V njihovi naravi je, da ljubijo, da negujejo.
You have to wound her at an emotional level to get her to stop loving.
Žensko moraš zares globoko emocionalno prizadeti, da te preneha ljubiti.
Otherwise, she loves to love.
Drugače ona izredno rada ljubi.
When I was 2.5, I saw my dad attempt to strangle my mother.
In ko sem imel 2 leti in pol, sem videl, kako je oče do smrti poskušal zadušiti mojo mamo.
And I brought that up to my mother after my father had died.
In potem, ko je moj oče že umrl, sem o tem govoril z mojo mamo.
And my mother was in shock.
In moja mama je bila povsem šokirana.
And she couldn't believe that I would remember that.
In ni mogla verjeti, da sem si jaz to lahko zapomnil.
But that experience caused my mom and dad to divorce.
Ampak ta izkušnja je bila tista, ki je povzročila, da sta se moja mama in oče ločila.
Later, they reconciled with each other,
Kasneje sta se ponovno spravila,
remarried each other.
se ponovno poročila,
But then mom left for 5 years because of my dad's anger issues.
potem pa je mama ponovno odšla za 5 let, ker je imel oče težave z jezo.
I remember crying myself to sleep many a night because of their
In
conflicts.
spomnim se, kako sem se z jokom uspaval mnoge noči zaradi tega, ker sta se one dva prepirala.
And I was eventually sent to a boarding school from age 13 to 18.
In potem so me od 8. do 13. leta poslali do 18. leta poslali v internat.
But I saw that my mother was emotionally wounded.
Ampak videl sem, kako je bila moja mama emocionalno prizadeta.
And so that idea that women love to love, it can stop when we are harsh and angry or violent.
In ta misel, da ženske rade ljubijo, se lahko zaustavi takrat, kadar je moški zelo usoren in agresiven do nje.
But overall, men know that women love them.
Ampak nasplošno moški se zavedajo, da jih žene ljubijo.
He sees that she's a good-willed woman who cares deeply for him and the family and others.
On vidi, da je ona dobronamerna žena, ki jo skrbi za družino in rada pač poskrbi za njih.
He watches her.
In jo opazuje.
She hears about someone who is sick,
in ona na primer sliši za nekoga, ki je bolan
and she's burdened and concerned.
in to jo skrbi, je zaradi tega obremenjena.
She's worried about the children or her mother who is in
Skrbijo jo
ill health.
otroci ali pa mama, ki je bolna in zdaj potrebuje pomoč.
She's always caring about people.
Vedno skrbi za ljudi.
He knows she's a good-willed, loving person.
In on se zaveda, da je ona dobronamerna, ljubeča oseba.
So during conflict,
In torej v tem času spora
he doesn't break down and cry and say, "You don't love me."
se on ne zjoče in ne zlomi in ne pravi, pa ti me ne ljubiš.
He is assured of her love.
On je prepričan v njeno ljubezen.
The only exception is when she says, "I no longer love you."
Edina razlika je v tem, ko mu ona reče, jaz te ne ljubim več.
Or, "I have never been in love with you."
Ali pa nikoli nisem bila zaljubljena vate.
But most women who connect with a man emotionally and intimately love to love.
Ampak večina žena, ki se emocionalno poveže s svojim možem, pač rade ljubijo.
You ask any man who's in a relationship,
Ne, če vprašate katerega koli moškega, ki je v medsebojnem odnosu,
"Hey, does your woman love you?"
a te tvoja ženska ljubi?
"Oh yeah."
O ja,
"Does she like you?"
a si ji ti všeč
No,
drugače tako?
not
Ne,
today.
ne, danes ne.
In fact, she didn't like me yesterday.
Pravzaprav tudi včeraj ji nisem bil ravno po volji.
So there comes this moment when he begins to feel like she doesn't respect who he is.
Torej pride do trenutkov, ko on ne občuti, da ga ona spoštuje zato, ker on je,
Even though she loves him.
če ravno ga ona ljubi.
And women need RESPECT.
In seveda ženske tudi potrebujejo spoštovanje.
But if you show disrespect to a woman week after week, disrespect,
Ampak-
disrespect,
Če
disrespect,
teden za tednom izkazuješ ženski samo nespoštovanje,
she'll say, "How can you treat me disrespectfully and say that you love me?"
bo rekla, kako lahko na tako nespoštljiv način ravnaš z menoj in mi obenem govoriš, da me ljubiš.
She will land on love.
Ponovno bo pristala na ljubezni,
She longs for love.
ker ona hrepeni po ljubezni.
And she begins to wonder, does he love me as much as I love him?
In se sprašuje, ali tudi on mene ljubi tako, kakor jaz ljubim njega.
And at the end of our Hollywood movies,
In na koncu kakšnega hollywoodskega filma,
does it go down this way?
ali se film zaključi na tak način,
The hero embraces
heroj
his woman
pride in objame svojo ljubljeno
and he says to her, "Baby, I
in ji
really
reče,
respect you."
o ljubica, zares te spoštujem.
And there's not one card in the whole card industry from a husband to a wife.
In niti ene kartice v trgovini ne boste našli, kjer bi mož rekel svoji ženi,
It says, "Baby, I really respect you."
ljubica, zares te spoštujem.
Though she needs respect, she's going to land on love.
Čeprav ona tudi potrebuje spoštovanje, bo vedno pristala na ljubezni.
And during conflict, that's how she tends to filter
In v
things.
času spora gre vse skozi ta filter ljubezni.
And it's important that we pay attention to that.
In pomembno je, da smo pozorni na to.
Because what's going to happen is she's going to deflate over those feelings of being unloved.
Kar se bo zgodilo je to, da bo ona povsem potlačena zaradi vseh teh občutkov neljubljenosti.
But what bothers her doesn't bother us as men.
Ampak kar njo moti, ne moti nas kot moške.
And there's a tendency for us to say, "You're overly sensitive, grow up, good grief."
In smo nagnjeni k temu, da rečemo, joj, koliko si preveč občutljiva, pa daj že odrasti, no, mislim, za božjo voljo.
Or when he deflates,
Ali pa, ko je on potlačen,
"Oh, brother,
oh, tej, no,
it's all about you.
vse se gre samo v tep, ali kaj?
You're so narcissistic.
Tok si narcisoiden,
Grow up."
pa daj že odrasti, no.
You see, we tend to pass judgment on the other
A ne, in radi obsojamo drug drugega
based on our natural strengths.
zaradi naših, zaradi iz tistega področja, kjer smo sami močni.
Based on in the face of their vulnerabilities.
A ne, ko gledamo na njihovo ranljivost.
So for instance, on that
Naprimer.
diet book,
Kar se tiče te knjige o dieti.
what was going on?
Kaj se je takrat dogajalo?
And in the marriage book, what was going
In
on?
kaj se je dogajalo v tej zakonski knjigi?
When Sarah swallowed my contact or
Ko je
gave me a jean jacket,
Ko je Sara pogoltnila mojo lečo ali pa ko mi je sešila džins jakno.
I'll come back to that in a moment.
Kasneje se bom vrnil na to.
But the University of Washington found something fascinating.
Univerza v Washingtonu je odkrila nekaj fascinantnega.
During these conflicts among partners,
V času teh konfliktov med partnerji
at a certain point, men shut down and withdraw.
So se v
Drop it,
določenem
forget it.
času moški zaprli, umaknili, postavili zid pred seboj in rekli pozab.
85% of those who withdrew emotionally were the men.
85% tistih, ki so se čustveno zaprli, so bili moški.
85%.
85%.
Now, what about that 15% of women?
No, kaj pa teh 15% žena?
They would be like my mother.
One bi bile tako, na primer, kot moja mama.
She withdrew.
Ona se je umaknila in
But there's
zaprla.
a difference as to why a woman withdraws and a man withdraws.
Ampak obstaja razlika, zakaj se ženska zapre in zakaj se moški zapre.
They had these men wired,
Moške
heartbeats,
so
blood pressure.
priklopili na monitor in so jim merili srčni utrip, krvni pritisk.
And during conflict with his woman,
In v času konflikta za svojo ženo
he looked very calm,
je on na videz izgledal povsem miren.
poker-faced.
Imel je obraz igralca pokra.
But his heartbeats would get to 99 beats per minute.
Ampak njegov srčni utrip je imel 99 utripov na minuto.
And 99 beats per minute, he's in warrior mode.
In kadar ima moški 99 utripov na minuto, pomeni, da je v bojevniški pripravljenosti.
It's either fight or flight.
Ali se bo boril, ali pa bo zbežal.
And he doesn't want to fight.
In seveda on se ne želi boriti z njo.
In fact, you'll hear him saying, "You're picking a fight.
Pravzaprav bo rekel, pa ti me sam provociraš.
You're provoking me.
Provociraš me.
Leave me alone."
Pust me pri mir.
And as he starts to exit, she chases him.
In ko se on umika nazaj, gre ona za njim.
He's in disbelief.
In on ne more verjeti.
Now, why would he exit?
In zakaj bi on odkorakal?
Because that's the honorable thing to do.
Ker je to zanj častna stvar.
What do I mean?
Kaj mislim s tem?
He realizes he must calm down or he could hurt her or anybody.
On se zaveda, da se mora umiriti, ker drugače lahko prizadene njo ali kogarkoli drugega.
If Roke and I were best of friends since boyhood days,
Naprimer, če bi bila midva z Rokom najboljša prijatelja že od malih nog.
and we truly are best of friends,
In bi bila zares najboljša prijatelja.
but we have this disagreement
Ampak zdaj imava neko nestrinjanje in konflikt
and we get mad at each other.
in se zjeziva drug na drugega.
At a certain point, we'll say, "Drop it,
In v
forget it."
določenem trenutku bova rekla, ej, pust, pozab. Da.
Because we know we could hurt each other
Zato, ker se zavedava, da lahko fizično prizadaneva drug drugega.
and we care deeply for each other.
In nama je mar, globoko mar drug za drugega.
So we do the honorable thing by just dropping it.
Torej storiva to častno dejanje in pustiva zadevo.
Our relationship is more important than trying to settle the matter.
Ker nama je odnos pomembnejši od tega, kot da zdaj urediva to
The
zadevo.
issue really isn't that
Ker
important.
ta stvar v bistvu sploh ni toliko pomembna.
It pales in comparison to our
A ne,
friendship.
ni primerjave z najnim odnosom.
So we do the honorable thing.
Torej storiva častno dejanje.
But in the culture of intimacy among women,
Ampak v kulturi intimnosti med ženami
they asked the women in this laboratory
a ne,
what they felt.
in v tem laboratoriju so vprašali žene, kaj so one takrat občutile.
What did you feel when the man withdrew from you?
Kaj si občutila takrat, ko se je moški umaknil proč od tebe?
Across the board, they said, "We feel rejected."
Vse so rekle, počutile smo se zavrnjene.
We could not imagine shutting down over such a minor
Sploh si
criticism.
ne predstavljamo, da bi se me zaprli nad kakšno tako majhno kritiko.
It felt like an act of hostility, they said.
Izgledalo nam je kot dejanje sovražnosti, so
In other
rekle.
words, she felt unloved.
Z drugimi besedami, ona se je počutila neljubljeno.
What's fascinating is this.
In kar je fascinantno je tole.
He seeks to do the respectful thing,
On poskuša storiti častno dejanje,
but she labels him unloving.
ona pa ga označi kot neljubečega.
And so now we have two good-willed people
In sedaj imamo tukaj dve dobronamerni osebi,
who are experiencing the same conflict.
ki izkušata isti konflikt.
He seeks to do the respectful thing, but is profiled as unloving.
On poskuša storiti častno stvar, ampak ga označi kot neljubečega.
Who's right?
Kdo ima sedaj prav?
Both are right.
Oba imata prav.
In her world, that's unloving.
V njenem svetu je to izredno neljubeče.
She did that toward her sister or girlfriends, they would be in disbelief.
Če bi ona to storila svojim prijateljicam ali sestram, ne bi mogle verjeti.
Women stay engaged, talking, venting.
Ženske ostanejo povezane, se pogovarjajo, se zlijajo ven.
You got it?
Ja.
And then one says, "Well, I'm sorry."
Potem ena reče, joj, žal mi je.
Well, I'm sorry
Jo,
too.
meni je tudi žal.
Will you forgive me?
A mi odpustiš?
Yes, I forgive you,
Ja,
but will you
seveda,
forgive
ti
me?
odpustim, a ti odpustiš meni?
And then they hug,
In potem se objameta,
wipe their tears away.
si obrišeta solze.
One is funny and she says something witty.
Ena je smešna in reče nekaj tako smešnega,
The other throws her head back with
in
laughter.
druga vrže glavo v znak in se smeji.
And they resume whatever they were doing.
In potem nadaljujeta s tistim, kar sta prej pač počeli.
And they're good to go until tomorrow when they have
In
another
potem
conflict.
gresta lahko naprej do jutrišnjega dne, ko imata ponovni konflikt.
The University of Washington called this the ocean of emotion
In
for women.
univerza v Washingtonu je to imenovala ocean emocij,
And
kar
that
se
women are very
žensk tiče.
comfortable in that ocean of
In
emotion.
ženskam je povsem udobno v tem oceanu emocij.
But men halfway through say, drop it, forget it.
Ampak moški na pol poti reče, ej, pust, primir, pozab, pust.
Because the issue really isn't that important to him.
Zato, ker mu ta zadeva sploh ni več tako pomembna.
And I don't want this to adversely affect our friendship. It's not that
In
important.
ne želi, da to vpliva na njuno prijateljstvo, ker se mu ne zdi tako pomembno.
If we just drop it and forget it, I'm good to go.
Če to pustiva in pozabva, meni je to čisto okej.
We don't need to talk about this.
Narava se o tem kar naprej pogovarjati.
So who's right?
Torej, kdo ima sedaj prav?
Yes,
Ja,
both are right.
oba imata prav.
It just depends on whether you're videotaping in pink or videotaping in blue.
Odvisno je le od tega, ali snemate na rožnato kamero ali na modro kamero.
The University of Washington also observed how women approached men.
In Univerza v Washingtonu je ravno tako opazovala, na kakšen način se ženske približajo moškemu.
And over that 20-year period, the researchers said this is what women do.
In v obdobju teh 20 let, ko so jih opazovali, so strokovnjaki rekli, tole je to, kar ženske počno.
They move toward the man and they criticize and complain, criticize and complain, criticize and
Približajo
complain.
se moškemu in ga kritizirajo in se pritožujejo, kritizirajo in se pritožujejo.
That's apart from political
In
correctness.
to gre mimo kakršnekoli politične korektnosti.
That's what the women were doing.
To pač ženske počno, so počele.
They asked the men what they felt at those moments.
In vprašali so moške, kaj so oni občutili v tistih trenutkih.
The men felt that ongoing criticism was contempt for who they
In
were as men.
moški so občutili, da to nenehno kritiziranje je kakor prezir tega, kar oni dejansko so.
They felt she was using that topic as another opportunity to send the message that she didn't respect him.
Mislili so, da ona samo izrablja to temo, da mu ponovno pošlje sporočilo, da ga ne spoštuje.
From my observations, I know why the woman is doing what she's doing.
In iz mojih opazovanj jaz vem, zakaj ženske to počno, kar
She
počno.
confronts to connect.
Ona konfrontira zato, da se poveže.
She does not confront to control.
Ona ne konfrontira zato, da bi kontrolirala.
She's trying to resolve the issue.
Ona poskuša rešiti konflikt.
She's trying to bring it full circle.
In poskuša, a ne vse pač pripeljati do
She's
konca.
trying to increase the feelings of love between them.
Poskuša povečati občutke ljubezni med njima.
She's trying to do the loving thing.
Poskuša storiti ljubeče dejanje.
But at a certain point, she hears him say,
Ampak v določenem trenutku ona zasliši, kako on pravi,
I'm sick and tired
sit sem že tega,
of this disrespect.
tega nespoštovanja.
Who's right?
In kdo ima sedaj prav?
She seeks to do the loving thing,
Ona poskuša storiti ljubeče dejanje,
but is labeled disrespectful.
ampak je označena kot nespoštljiva.
And what happens then are two good-willed people
In kar se zgodi je to, da dve dobro namerni osebi
come to a point in the relationship when they're both confused.
prideta do ene točke v odnosu, ko sta oba zmedena.
And what's really sad is the relationship didn't start that way.
In kar je žalostno je to, da se ta njun odnos ni začel na tak način.
When Sarah and I first met
Ko sva se s Saro sprva spoznala
and we began to entertain marriage,
in so začela razmišljati o zakonu,
I didn't say to Sarah, I hate you, you hate me, so let's get married.
jaz nisem rekel Sari, veš kaj, jaz sovražim tebe, ti sovražiš mene, pa dajva se zdaj poročiti.
It didn't go down that way.
Ni šlo na tak način.
And it didn't go down that way with you either.
In tudi z vami se ni tako zgodilo.
You were best of friends.
Bili ste najboljši prijatelji,
You were allies.
zavezniki,
But at a certain point, it begins to feel like you're enemies.
ampak v določenem času pa ste se začeli počutiti, kot da ste sovražniki.
How does that happen?
Kako se to lahko zgodi?
I'm going to address that in just a moment.
No, in čez nekaj trenutkov bom govoril o tem.
But let's go back to the swallowed contact.
Ampak, če se vrnemo nazaj k pogoltnjeni leči.
When Sarah swallowed that contact, I got angry at her
Ko je Sara pogoltnila to lečo, sem se jaz jezil na
in
njo.
front of my
V
parents.
pričo mojih staršev.
And when her spirit deflated,
In ko je bila ona prizadeta, je upadel obraz.
that moment of time she felt unloved.
V tistem trenutku se je počutila neljubljeno.
And even though it felt disrespectful to her,
In če ravno se je zdelo, kot da sem jaz nespoštljiv do nje,
at the deeper level,
je v globini
she was feeling,
občutila
if you loved me, you wouldn't
tole,
treat me
a ne, če
disrespectfully.
bi me ljubil, ne bi z menoj ravnal na tako
If
nespoštljiv
you loved
način.
me as much as I love you, you wouldn't say these
Če bi
things this way
ljubil
to me.
mene, tako kot jaz ljubim tebe, potem ne bi govoril na tak način z menoj.
What about the jean jacket?
No, kaj pa ta stvar za džins jakno?
When I said thank you,
Ko sem ji rekel hvala
and she said I wasn't thankful,
in mi je rekla, da jaz nisem hvaležen,
she was calling into question my integrity.
se mi je zdelo, kot da dvomi o moji integriteti.
She was telling me that I was lying.
V bistvu, kot da mi govori, da lažem.
At that moment, I didn't doubt her love for me.
In v tistem trenutku jaz nisem dvomil o njeni ljubezni,
I felt disrespected.
ampak sem se počutil nespoštovan.
You see how this happens?
A vidite, kako se to zgodi?
Or what about the diet book?
No, kaj pa ta knjiga o dieti?
When he handed the diet book to her, what was she feeling?
Ko je on izročil to knjigo o dieti, kaj je ona takrat občutila?
She heard a message in her pink hearing aids
Ona-
that she thought he sent through his blue megaphone.
Ona je slišala sporočilo skozi svoje rožnate slušalke in je mislila, da ji on to sporoča skozi moder megafon.
And that message was
In to sporočilo je bilo,
that she heard,
katerega je ona slišala,
I do not accept you.
jaz te ne sprejemam,
I do not approve of you.
te ne odobravam
I do not love who you are unless you look like a beautiful model.
in ne ljubim te tako, kakršna si, razen če ne boš zgledala kot kakšna čudovita manekenka.
That's what she heard.
To je ona slišala.
That's what your daughter will hear.
To bo slišala vaša hči.
That's what women hear.
To ženske slišijo.
In fact, they've done research on body image issues.
Pravzaprav so delali raziskave o tej fizični samopodobi.
And they've had a beautiful model stand in front of a floor-length mirror.
In bila je čudovita manekenka, ki je stala pred podolgovatim ogledalom.
And what they found is these models will say the same thing over and over
In
again.
kar so ugotovili, da so vse manekenke v bistvu ponavljale eno in isto stvar.
They will look at all their flaws
Gledale so na vse svoje napakice
and move into
in
self-deprecation
potem padle v totalen obup.
again and again and again.
Znova in znova se je to dogajalo.
Women are very sensitive to body image issues.
Ženske so zelo občutljive na svojo zunanjo podobo.
What about the man that she's in love with?
Kaj pa ta moški, v katerega je ona zaljubljena?
He has a 40-pound spread
On ima 20 kg
front,
spredaj,
40-pound spread in the back.
20 kg zadaj.
He's a big boy.
On je kar precej velik dečko.
What's he see when he looks at himself in
Kaj
the
pa
floor?
on vidi, ko se pogleda v ogledalo?
Atlas.
On vidi Atlasa
He can bring Atlas out
in on
anytime he
lahko
wants.
tega Atlasa pokaže ven, kadarkoli pač želi.
He just doesn't want to right
Samo
now.
ravno kar si tega ne želi.
So what's interesting is this. If you give him a diet book, what's his response?
In kar je zanimivo je tole, če bi njemu ona poklonila knjigo o dieti, kakšen bi bil njegov odziv?
Hey, thanks.
Ej,
What's for
hvala,
dinner?
kaj pa je za večerjo?
Why doesn't he go up like a rocket ship?
Zakaj pa on zdaj naznuri?
He doesn't care.
Njemu ni mar,
Doesn't bother him.
sploh ga to ne moti.
So what happens?
Torej, kaj se zgodi?
When she goes ballistic in the face of a diet book,
Ko ona znori zaradi te knjige o dieti,
he's in disbelief.
on ne more verjeti.
Oh, grow up.
Pa dej že odrasti, no.
You're overly sensitive.
Koliko si preveč občutljiva?
So childish.
To kot otročja.
See if I ever buy you a diet book
Boš že videla,
again.
če ti bom jaz še kakšno tako knjigo kupil.
See, it's so easy to pass judgment on our partner
Tako zlahka obsojamo svojega partnerja
based on our natural strengths
na osnovi tistih področji, kjer smo sami močni.
in the face of their vulnerabilities.
A ne, ko gledamo njihovo ranljivost oziroma šibkost.
If both of us smoke
Če bi, na primer, oba kadila
and we're both trying to quit,
in bi se oba trudila prenehati
and that evening we both confess that we had a
in
cigarette,
tisti večer bi si oba priznala, da sva eno pokadila,
we empathize with each other
bi imela sočutje drug do drugega.
because we're struggling with the same issue.
Zato, ker se trudiva, boriva na istem področju.
But in most of the issues between men and women,
Ampak v večini primerov med moškimi in ženami
she struggles with issues that he doesn't struggle with.
se ona bori na področju, kjer on nima težav.
And he struggles with issues that she does.
In on se bori na področju, kjer ona nima težav.
And so when we see their spirit deflate,
In ko vidimo, ne, da so prizadeti, da jim upade obraz,
it deflates over a thing that bothers them that we've done.
ko so prizadeti nad stvarmi, ki smo jih mi sami storili,
And it's no big deal to us,
nam se pa to ne zdi kakšna velika stvar.
but they're offended
Oni pa so užaljeni
and they attack us
in nas napadejo,
like there's something bad about us.
kot da je nekaj slabega na nas.
You men have two brains,
Vi
one's
moški
lost and the other's out looking for
Imate
it.
dvoj vrst možganov, eni so zgubljeni, drugi jih še iščejo.
She calls him a brainless idiot.
In mu pove, da je totalen kreten, da nima možganov.
He's in complete disbelief.
In on ne more verjeti.
And so what happens is there's this confusion.
In kar se zgodi je, da nastane ta zmeda.
Or what about the third marriage
No,
book?
kaj pa ta tretja zakonska knjiga?
Why would he deflate and not read that third
Zakaj bi
marriage
bil
book?
on prizadet in ne bi prebral te tretje zakonske knjige?
Because he hears a message in his blue hearing aids that he thinks she's sending through her pink megaphone.
Zato, ker on misli, da sliši skozi svoje modre slušalke nekaj, kar mu ona govori skozi rožnat megafon.
What is that message?
No, kaj je to sporočilo?
I do not accept you.
Jaz te ne sprejemam,
I do not approve
te
of
ne
you.
odobravam
I do not respect who you are,
in te
Buster,
ne
unless you change right now
spoštujem ti kreten, dokler se ne boš spremenil in to prav zdaj.
and become loving like me.
In ne boš postal tako ljubeč, kakor sem jaz.
That's what he hears.
To on sliši.
That's not what she's really trying to say,
Ampak to ni to, kar mu je ona poskušala povedati.
any more than he's trying to say through the diet book that he doesn't love her.
In tudi on ji ni poskušal preko te knjige o dieti povedati, da je ne ljubi.
But he has a vulnerability in this area.
Ampak on je ranljiv na tem področju.
He knows he's less loving than she is.
On se zaveda, da je manj ljubeč, kakor je ona.
And she feels that he's less loving than
In
she
tudi
is.
ona ve, da je on manj ljubeč, kakor je ona.
And the culture feels that he's less loving than
In
she
tudi
is.
vsa kultura misli, da je on manj ljubeč, kakor je
So
ona.
that third marriage book
Torej ta tretja zakonska knjiga
is really a message that he's not good enough.
je v bistvu sporočilo njemu, da on ni dovolj dober.
And that's why the man says,
In
I'm never good
zato,
enough.
zato moški reče, nikoli nisem zadost dober zate.
And so there's this huge misunderstanding.
In zato pride do velikega nesporazuma.
And what's interesting, what if he bought her
In
a marriage book?
kar je zanimivo, kaj pa če bi on njej kupil to tretjo zakonsko knjigo?
What would be her response?
Kakšen bi bil njen odziv?
He comes into the house.
On bi vstopil v hišo,
What's that book?
bi rekel, ja,
Is that a marriage book?
kaj je ta knjiga? Je to zakonska knjiga?
Did someone give that to you?
A ti jo je kdo dal?
They didn't?
Ne, ni.
You bought it?
Ti si jo kupil?
You bought it for us to read
A
together?
ti si jo kupil za naju dva, da jo bova mi dva brala?
She'll be so excited she'll get on the phone to her girlfriends.
Bi bila tako navdušena, da bi takoj poklicala prijateljico.
He bought a marriage book.
On je kupil zakonsko knjigo.
No, I didn't tell him to.
Ne, nisem mu rekla, naj jo kupi.
No, I didn't hint.
Ne, tudi namignila mu nisem.
Why?
Zakaj?
We're connecting.
Mi dva se povezujeva.
We're soulmates.
Najni duši so tako povezani.
See, she will be energized by
Ona bo
that.
poživljena zaradi tega.
And that's why it's so easy to pass judgment on him,
In zato ga tako zlahka obsoja.
because you don't understand his vulnerability.
Zato, ker ne razume njegove ranljivosti na tem področju.
Intimacy is a natural strength of yours.
Intimnost je je nekaj naravnega v ženski.
You love to love.
Vi rade ljubite.
You can't not love
Enostavno ne morete, da ne bi ljubile.
unless you're wounded.
Razen, če ste prizadete.
So you can't imagine why he would shut down on a marriage book.
Torej si ne morete predstavljati, zakaj bi se on zaprl zaradi te zakonske
That's
knjige.
because you don't hear what he hears.
To je zato, ker vi ne slišite tega, kar on sliši.
In the same way he doesn't hear what you hear in a diet book.
In na isti način tudi on ne sliši tega, kar vi slišite glede te knjige o dieti.
And we come to a point in our relationship
In pridemo do neke točke v našem medsebojnem odnosu,
when we have to make a decision.
ko moramo storiti odločitev.
Am I going to pass judgment on them?
Ali ga bom obsojala
and tell them to grow up?
in mu rekla, naj že enkrat odraste,
Or will I accept the fact that they have vulnerabilities where I don't?
ali pa bom sprejela oziroma sprejel to dejstvo, da je ona ranljiv na tistem področju, kjer jaz nisem.
And at first glance, this seems easy enough to do.
A ne, in sprva to zgleda tako lahko.
But here's something that happens.
Ampak tole je nekaj, kar se pogosto zgodi.
There is a love and respect connection.
A ne, obstaja neka povezava med ljubeznijo in spoštovanjem.
When a woman feels unloved,
Ko se ženska počuti neljubljeno,
she tends to react in a way that feels disrespectful to him.
ponavadi odreagira na način, ki se njemu zdi nespoštljiv.
And when he feels disrespected, he tends to react in a way that feels
In
unloving
ko
to
se
her.
on počuti nespoštovan, odreagira na način, ki se njej zdi neljubeč.
And I call it the crazy cycle.
In to jaz imenujem začarani krog.
Without love,
Brez ljubezni
she reacts.
se on odzove,
Without
brez
respect,
spoštovanja.
without
Brez
respect,
spoštovanja
he reacts
se on odzove,
without
brez
love.
ljubezni.
then without love,
In brez ljubezni
she reacts
se on odzove,
without
brez
respect,
spoštovanja, in brez
without
spoštovanja
respect,
se on
he
odzove,
reacts without
brez
love, and it
ljubezni.
spins.
In to se vrti kot na vrtiljaku.
and it's like a plane that goes
Ali
down and
kot
crashes.
avion, ki butne ob tla.
And it happens among couples of goodwill.
In to se dogaja med povsem dobro namernimi pari.
And why does it happen?
In zakaj se to zgodi?
See, every woman knows she's crying out for love.
Vsaka ženska se zaveda, da kliče po ljubezni.
In fact, she feels unloved in the first place.
Pravzaprav ona se počuti že na samem začetku neljubljeno
She seeks to do the loving thing
in poskuša storiti ljubeče dejanje.
by resolving the issue, talking,
S tem, a ne, ona poskuša rešiti problem in se želi pogovoriti.
and suddenly is told that she's disrespectful,
In naenkrat ji je rečeno, da je totalno nespoštljiva.
and he withdraws,
In on se umakne
and she feels even more unloved.
in ona se počuti še bolj neljubljeno.
So at 4 levels, she knows she's right.
Torej, na vseh 4 ravneh se ona zaveda, da ima prav.
She felt unloved.
Počutila se je neljubljeno,
She seeks to do the loving thing.
poskušala je storiti ljubeče
She
dejanje,
hears she's disrespectful,
sliši, da je nespoštljiva
and she feels even more unloved.
in se počuti še bolj
And
neljubljeno.
she gets together with her
In
girlfriends.
potem se dobi s svojimi
They
prijateljicami
compare notes,
in primerjajo zapiske
and they all have the same experience.
in vse imajo isto izkušnjo.
And so the women know they're right.
Torej, ženske vedo, da imajo prav.
And if they're right, he has to
In
be
če imajo one prav, torej on
wrong.
nima prav.
No, he's
Ne,
just
ne, ne.
different.
On je samo drugačen.
He's not wrong, he's just different.
On ni napačen, je samo drugačen.
And she's not wrong, she's just
In
different.
ona ni napačna, je samo drugačna.
Pink is not wrong for not being blue.
Rožnata barva ni napačna samo zato, ker ni modra.
Blue is not wrong for not being pink.
Modra ni napačna samo zato, ker ni rožnata.
Pink and blue are just different.
Rožnata in modra barva sta samo drugačni.
Mature people have to come to a point when they realize that.
In zreli ljudje morajo priti do točke, ko se tega začno zavedati.
But looking at his side,
Ampak če pogledamo z njegove strani,
he feels disrespected
on
by
se
something.
počuti nespoštovanega, seveda.
He seeks to do the respectful thing by calming down and disengaging.
Poskuša storiti spoštljivo dejanje s tem, da se umiri, da se umakne nazaj.
As he does this, he hears that he's the most unloving person on the
In
planet,
ko to stori, sliši, da je najbolj neljubeča oseba na celem planetu
and he feels even more
in
disrespected.
potem se počuti še bolj nespoštovan.
He's in disbelief.
In ne more verjeti.
He feels disrespected.
Počutil se je nespoštovanega,
He seeks to do the respectful thing.
poskuša storiti častno stvar,
He hears he's unloving,
sliši, da je neljubeč
and he feels even more
in
disrespected.
potem se počuti še bolj nespoštovan.
And he knows he's right.
In se zaveda, da ima prav.
So she's got to be wrong.
Torej, zagotovo ona nima prav.
And over a period of time, good-willed people begin to resent each other.
In čez določen čas dobro namerni osebi začneta zavračati druga drugo.
And they're confused.
In sta zmedeni.
And here's something that happens.
In tukaj se nekaj zgodi.
Without love,
Brez ljubezni
defensively,
se ona obrambno
she reacts
odzove
offensively
na žaljiv način.
without respect.
In to je brez spoštovanja.
And without respect,
In brez spoštovanja
defensively,
se on obrambno
he reacts
odzove
offensively
na žaljiv način.
without love.
In to je brez ljubezni.
In other words,
Z
we
drugimi
feel insecure
besedami.
and defensive,
A ne, počutimo se negotove in se postavimo v obrambno pozicijo.
but we react in
In
ways
potem odreagiramo na načine,
that offends the other.
ki žalijo drugo osebo.
She has this love tank connected by an air hose,
Ona ima tak rezervar ljubezni, ki je povezan z zračno cevjo.
and she needs to breathe in this air like she She needs to breathe in love like she breathes
In
in
mora
air.
vdihavati to ljubezen, kakor vdihava zrak.
He has a respect tank connected by an air hose.
On ima rezervar spoštovanja, ki je povezan z zračno cevjo.
And he needs to breathe in that respect
In-
like he breathes in air.
Tudi on mora vdihavati to spoštovanje, kakor vdihava zrak.
And when we say that she needs love, we're not talking about loving her bad
In ko
behavior.
rečemo, da ona potrebuje ljubezen, ne govorimo o tem, da ljubimo njeno napačno, slabo vedenje.
We're talking about his loving attitude toward her heart.
Govorimo o njegovi ljubeči drži do njenega srca.
This is about who he is, not about who she
Gre
fails to
se za
be.
to, kdo on je, ne za to, kar ona misli, občuti, da je.
And when we talk about a man's need for
In
respect,
ko govorimo o moški potrebi po spoštovanju,
we're not talking about respecting bad
ne
behavior.
govorimo o tem, da spoštujemo slabo vedenje,
We're talking about respectfully confronting bad
ampak
behavior.
govorimo, da na spoštljiv način konfrontiramo slabo vedenje.
We're talking about coming across respectfully when he fails to be who you want him to be.
Govorimo, da na spoštljiv način pridemo do njega, ko njemu spodleti.
But here's the deal. She needs love.
Ampak tukaj je stvar. Ona potrebuje ljubezen,
He needs respect.
on potrebuje spoštovanje.
Both need this for who they are apart from their
In
performance.
oba to potrebujeta zaradi tega, kar one dva sta, ne zaradi tega, kar one dva počneta.
But when she feels unloved,
Ampak ko se ona počuti neljubljeno,
she feels like he's standing on her air
a ne,
hose.
se počuti, kot da je on stopil na njeno zračno cev.
She feels like she's emotionally suffocated.
In se počuti, kot da se zdaj emocionalno duši.
So she pushes him
In
off
zato ga udrine proč
and stomps on his air
in
hose.
stop na njegov.
But she
njegovo
doesn't.
cev.
But she's not intending to do that.
Ampak ona ne dela tega za nalašč.
That's how it appears to him.
Tako se njemu zdi.
He takes up offense by
In
her reaction,
on je užaljen nad njeno
and
reakcijo
he doesn't hear the deeper cry of her heart.
in ne sliši tega globokega klica njenega srca.
And he needs that respect.
In on potrebuje to spoštovanje.
But she's standing on his air
Ampak
hose.
ona stoji na njegovi zračni cevi za dovod zraka
He pushes her
in
off,
jo udrine proč
stomps
in
on her.
stop na njeno cev.
He ends up offending her.
In sedaj jo on užali.
But he's not trying to offend her.
Ampak on ne dela tega za nalašč,
He's feeling disrespected.
ampak on se v tem trenutku počuti
But what
nespoštovan.
happens is neither one understand this
In
dynamic
kar se dogaja, da noben od njiju ne razume te dinamike.
because she's trying to do the loving thing
Ker ona poskuša storiti ljubeče dejanje,
on the heels of feeling unloved.
ampak počuti se pa totalno neljubljeno.
She's not trying to be disrespectful.
Ona ni za nalašč nespoštljiva.
She's trying to connect.
Ona se poskuša povezati.
Talk to me.
Pogovarj se z mano.
And so she's trying to do the loving thing, so doesn't see the level of disrespect.
Poskuša storiti ljubečo stvar in sploh ne vidi ravni nespoštovanja, v kateri se je
The
znašla.
University of Washington studied women's negative reactions.
In Univerza v Washingtonu je preučevala ženske negativne reakcije.
And when she's really hurting and
In
upset,
ko je ona zares razburjena ali prizadeta,
her eyes darken,
ji oči potemnijo,
face turns sour,
obraz postane kot limona,
hand on the hip,
roka pride na bok,
scolding finger,
obtožujoč prst se vzdigne,
rolling of the eyes,
zavije z očmi,
head back.
vrže glavo v znak in zavzdihne.
And then when estrogen kicks in, the word choice of contempt is
In
incredible.
ko pride estrogen v telo, potem izbira besed ni ravno najbolj primerna. Ne?
All the researchers said
In vsi raziskovalci so rekli,
these are gestures of contempt in
da
a man's
so
world.
to geste prezira, zaničevanja v moškem svetu.
I say to women, reenact in front of a
In
floor-length mirror how you
jaz
just talked to her.
rečem ženskam, no pa poskusi ponovno odigrati to, kar si ravno kar odigrala pred njim,
And
pred
ask
ogledalom.
yourself,
In vpraši se.
ask yourself if there's any person in his life who talks to him this
In
way.
vpraši se, ali obstaja še kakšna druga oseba v njegovem življenju, ki se na tak način z njim pogovarja.
And if the answer is no,
In če je odgovor ne,
then he's not hearing the deeper cry of your heart.
potem on ne sliši tega globjega klica vašega
He's
srca.
not hearing you say,
On ne sliši, kako pravite.
I'm feeling unloved and insecure,
Počutim se neljubljeno in negotovo.
and I just need to know you love me and that you'll hug me
Rabim samo vedeti, da me ljubiš in da me objameš.
and reassure me that you love me as much as I love
In da mi
you.
daš zagotovilo tvoje ljubezni, da vem, da me ti tako ljubiš, kakor jaz ljubim tebe.
But he doesn't hear that if you don't say it that way.
Ampak on ne sliši tega, če ve tega na tak način ne poveste.
If you say, you men have two brains,
Če mu rečeš, vi moški imate dvoj vrst možganov,
he's not going to hear the cry for love.
on ne bo slišal tega klica ljubezni.
He's going to think you're using this topic as
Ampak
another opportunity
bo
to send him a
mislil,
message you don't like him.
da samo izrabljate to temo, da mu ponovno pošljete sporočilo, da vam on tak, kot je, sploh ni všeč.
When you misrepresent yourself, he will misinterpret you.
In ko napačno predstavljate samo sebe, si bo on to tudi napačno razložil.
Men on the other side,
In moški na drugi strani,
I know that when you're upset and she's coming at you
vem, da kadar ste vi razburjeni in ko ona prihaja proti vam,
about some issue,
glede kakšne zadeve,
you're feeling
se
disrespected.
počutite nespoštovani.
You tend to be assured of her love.
A ne, veste, da vas ona ljubi,
You know she loves you.
veš, da te ljubi.
You just don't think she likes you.
Enostavno misliš, da ji tako kot si nisi všeč.
And she seems to be complaining and criticizing over something that's not that big of a deal.
In zgleda, kot da se ona pritožuje in kritizira nad eno stvarjo, ki sploh ni tako pomembna.
So you get angry.
In potem se ti
You
zjeziš,
get harsh.
postaneš oster,
And you come at her and say, stop.
osoren, prideš do nje in rečeš nehi,
You're picking a fight.
a ne provociraš me,
But she doesn't go quiet.
ampak ona ne utihne.
You leave and go to the other room.
A ne, ti greš v drugo sobo
She follows you into the
in
other room
ona gre za tabo
and keeps talking
in
to
še
you.
kar naprej govori.
And you're in disbelief.
In ne moreš verjeti.
And so you try to do the respectful
In
thing.
poskušaš storiti častno stvar.
Exit.
Izhod.
But I'm going to tell you, she doesn't see your deeper need.
Ampak povem vam, da ona ne vidi vaše globoke potrebe.
She just thinks that you're a harsh, angry, negative person who doesn't love her.
Ona misli, da si enostavno samo ena usorna, jezna oseba, ki je ne ljubi.
You're misrepresenting yourself.
In napačno predstavljaš samega sebe.
And she's going to misinterpret you.
In tudi ona si bo to napačno razložila.
So we all get on the crazy cycle.
Torej, vsi se znajdemo v tem začaranem krogu.
Sarah and I get on the crazy cycle every week.
Tudi Saro vsak teden greva na ta krog
We practice what we preach.
in prakticirava to, kar pridigava.
Recently, she chased me around the house with my book.
Pred kratkim me je podila po hiši z mojo knjigo.
How would you talk to a man who's
No.
treating his wife the way you're
Kako
treating me
kaj
right
bi
now?
pa ti svetoval moškemu, ki bi ravnal svojo ženo, tako kot ti zdaj z mano?
How would you counsel him?
No, kako bi mu svetoval,
He was doing what you're doing.
če bi delal to, kar ti zdaj počneš?
The deal is this, we're all going to get on the crazy
A ne,
cycle.
stvar je v tem, da bomo se vsi znašli kdaj v tem začaranem krogu.
Life comes at us too quickly.
A ne, življenje se tako hitro odvija.
She's looking at things through pink.
A ne, ona gleda na svet skozi rožnata očala.
He's looking at it through blue.
On gleda na svet skozi modra očala.
And it happens too quickly.
In prehitro se vse odvija.
Sarah and I will spin once or twice,
In Saro se zavrtiva enkrat, dvakrat,
but we've learned how to jump off.
ampak sva se naučila, kako skočiti dol.
Some couples keep spinning day after day,
Kakšni pari pa se kar naprej vrtijo, dan za dnem.
and they become resentful.
In začnejo zavračati drug drugega.
And what's so sad is this.
In kar je žalostno je to,
All she's doing is crying out for reassurance that you love her.
da vse, kar ona počne, je to, da kliče po zagotovilu tvoje ljubezni.
And all he is saying, do you still believe in me more than I believe in myself?
In vse, kar on pravi, je to, ali ti še vedno verjameš vame, ali verjameš bolj vame, kot jaz sam vase.
Do you respect my deepest heart more than I'm respecting myself right now?
Ali spoštuješ globino mojega srca bolj, kot jaz sam spoštujem sebe.
Now, let me just add,
No in naj tu še dodam.
women have no idea what we're talking about when we talk about respect.
Ženske ponavadi nimajo pojma, o čem govorim, kadar govorim o spoštovanju.
In fact, they don't feel comfortable with the respect
Pravzaprav
message.
ni mu udobno pri tej zadevi
Women say, well, Dr.
spoštovanja.
Emerson, I don't feel any respect for him.
In bi rekle, veste, doktor Emerson, jaz ne občutim nobenega spoštovanja
And
do
it would be
njega.
hypocritical for me to show respect when I don't feel it.
In zelo hinavsko od mene bi bilo, če bi mu izkazala spoštovanje, ko tega ne čutim.
And I know you don't want me to be a
In
hypocrite.
seveda vem, da vi ne želite, da sem jaz hinavka.
And he's not superior to
In
me.
veste, on ni nad mano,
I'm not inferior to him.
jaz nisem pod njim.
I'm not going to be treated like a
Ne
doormat.
bo z mano ravnal kot s kakšnim predpražnikom.
And he has not earned the respect.
In on si niti ni zaslužil
And he does not
spoštovanja.
deserve the respect.
Sploh si ga ne
He
zasluži.
needs to be more loving like me.
On bi moral biti bolj ljubeč, tako kot sem jaz.
And I really think this is about his ego and
In v
narcissism.
bistvu mislim, da se gre tukaj samo za njegov egoizem in narcisoizem.
And I'm not going to feed that.
In jaz ne bom tega hranila.
And I'm
Ne, ne.
certainly not going to give him license to do
In
whatever he wants.
zagotovo mu ne bom dala dovoljenje, da dela z mano, karkoli mu pade na
And I'm not
pamet.
going to respect these bad
In ne
things.
bom spoštovala vseh teh slabih stvari.
And I'm certainly not going to return to patriarchy,
In
fear, male
zagotovo se ne
dominance.
bom vrnila nazaj v te patriarhalne čase in čase moške dominantnosti in
I
strahu
think you're just
pred
trying
njimi.
you're trying to put the feminist movement
Mislim,
back
da
50 years.
želite uničiti vse to, kar se je feministično gibanje potrudilo narediti v zadnjih 50
I'm not
letih.
going to lose a sense of self and
Jaz ne
identity.
bom izgubila občutka lastne vrednosti
I'm
zaradi
not
tega.
going to subject myself to emotional
In ne
abuse.
bom se podrejala tem raznim čustvenim zlorabam.
But
No,
other
ampak
than these things, I'm really open to hearing what you have to say
poleg
about it.
tega sem pa precej odprta za to, kar mi želite povedati.
How many of you have sons?
Koliko izmed vas ima sinove?
Did you raise your hands?
Zdignite roke.
Yes, almost
Ja?
everyone here.
No, skoraj kar precej, ne?
That mantra that I just went through
No, ta mantra, skozi katero sem zdaj šel,
will be the attitude your daughter-in-law has
Bo-
toward your precious
bo
baby boy.
drža vaše ljube snahice do vašega ljubljenega sinčka.
Think about that.
In malce razmislite o tem.
He's a good-willed boy.
On je dobro nameren dečko,
But the culture of intimacy reinforces women.
ampak ta kultura intimnosti ujočuje tako držo.
And your son will just shut down
In vaš sin se bo enostavno zaprl,
when she goes through that mantra with him.
ko bo ona šla skozi to mantro.
And he will be profiled as unloving.
In bo seveda označen kot izredno neljubeč.
But the truth is, he would die for her.
Ampak resnica je v tem, da bi bil on pripravljen umreti za njo.
Every man here would die for his woman.
Vsak moški tukaj bi bil pripravljen umreti za svojo žensko.
We just saw this in Aurora, Colorado,
To
in the
smo
United
pred
States.
kratkim videli v Združenih državah Amerike v Aurora, Coloradu.
It was in a theater
To
where
je bilo
Batman was
v
on.
gledališču, kjer se je odvijal film Batman.
A man came into the theater with an
In
automatic weapon
Prišel je moški z avtomatsko puško
and opened fire and killed many
in
people.
začel streljati na občinstvo in jih mnogo ubil.
But many noticed that many
Ampak
women walked out of
Kasneje
that
so
theater alive.
opazili, da je precej žensk išlo iz gledališča živih.
And the stories came out
In ta zgodba se je potem razširila naokrog.
that the boyfriends threw themselves over
ne.
the girls,
Njihovi fantje so se vrgli čez svoja dekleta
took the bullets and died
in
to save the
sprejeli
girls.
kroglo namesto nje, zato da bi rešili njeno življenje. In to dejansko se je zgodilo.
Many female anchors in our media
In mnogo žensk v naših medijih
expressed shock over
a ne,
this.
so bile povsem šokirane nad tem.
Not one man in the United States of America was in shock
In
over
niti
that.
en moški v Ameriki ni bil šokiran nad tem dejanjem,
Men
ker so ga te
give-
fantje storili.
Men die for their
A
women.
ne, ker fantje so pripravljeni umreti za svoje ljubljene.
They sacrifice their lives for their women.
Pripravljeni so žrtvovati svoje življenje za tega, katero ljubijo.
I mean, Jesus said, no greater love is a man than this, that he laid down his life for
In
his
Jezus
friend.
sam je rekel, nišče nima večje ljubezni, kot je ta, da je nekdo pripravljen umreti za svojega prijatelja.
Your son will give his life
In tudi vaš sin bo pripravljen dati svoje življenje
for his girl,
za svoje dekle.
but he'll forget the anniversary.
Ampak pozabil bo pa na obletnico.
In our country,
In v naši
United
deželi, v
States,
Združenih državah Amerike,
we are evaluating a man's love based on his sensitivity and his sentimentality.
nekako analiziramo moško ljubezen na osnovi ženske sentimentalnosti.
And he's accused of being unloving because he forgets the anniversary.
In on je potem obtožen, da je neljubeč samo zato, ker je pozabil na obletnico.
Women are leaving relationships 2 to 3 times more than men are.
In ženske v sodobnem času 2 do 3-krat več zapuščajo odnos kakor moški.
It's called the walkaway woman
A ne? In to se imenuje ženska, ki odhaja.
because the man is failing to be the romantic.
Zato, ker moškemu je spodletelo, da bi bil tako romantičen.
That Hollywood is painting.
A ne? Tako romantičen, kakor zna naslikati Hollywood.
And yet these men are men of honor who would give their very
In
lives.
čeprav so to te možje časti, ki bi bili pripravljeni dati svoje življenje za svojo ljubljeno.
One man said to his woman,
In en moški je rekel svoji ženi,
I love you so much I would die for you.
tako zelo te ljubim, da bi bil pripravljen umreti zate.
She replied,
In ona mu odgovori,
oh, you keep saying that, but you never do.
ja, to kar naprej govoriš, ampak še do zdaj nisi tega naredil.
So we have a misunderstanding here.
Torej imamo ključno nerazumevanje tukaj.
And the question is, are men narcissistic?
In vprašanje je, ali so moški zares tako narcisoidni.
There are a percentage, yes.
Ja, v nekih odstotkih tudi.
But most men are good-willed men.
Ampak večina moških je povsem dobronamernih.
And here's what I want to say to you.
In tole vam želim povedati.
A miracle can happen with some of you right this moment.
Čudež se lahko zgodi za nekatere izmed vas v tem dnevu.
If both of you are willing to move forward on what I'm saying,
Če sta se oba pripravljena zganiti v skladu s tem, kar vam govorim,
a miracle can happen.
se dejansko lahko zgodi čudež.
Although people ask me who moves
A
first,
ne? In ljudje me pogosto krat vprašajo, ja, kdo pa naj se prvi zgane?
my response is
In moj odziv je,
the one who sees himself or herself as
tisti,
the most
ki
mature
se
moves
ima za
first.
zrelejšega. Ne? Ta pameten odneha.
And you know you're the mature person because
In
they're so childish.
Seveda, ti se zavedaš, da si tista zrela oseba, ker je on tako otroči.
So you move first.
Torej, ti se prvi zganeš.
But if both of you are willing to move first,
Kaj pa, če sta oba pripravljena se
something
prva
special can
zganiti?
happen.
Se nekaj posebnega zgodi.
What do I mean?
Kaj mislim s tem?
After this conference, you can talk with each
A
other.
ne, po tej konferenci se lahko pogovorita drug z drugim.
As the woman, you can say,
A ne, kot ženska lahko rečeš,
Emerson's right.
Emerson ima prav.
I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
Jaz ne poskušam biti nespoštljiva.
I'm negative like that
Sem tako negativna
and breathe fire.
in bruham ogenj.
But it's not because I'm trying to be
Ampak to
disrespectful.
ni zato, ker bi rada bila zanalašč
I'm just
nespoštljiva.
needing reassurance that you love me.
Jaz enostavno potrebujem zagotovilo, da me ti ljubiš.
I need your strength.
Jaz rabim tvojo moč.
I just need you to hug me,
Jaz rabim samo, da me objameš,
reassure me.
da mi zagotoviš,
That's what I'm feeling.
da me ljubiš. To jaz občutim.
Really?
O, res?
Yeah.
Ja.
Well, he was right about me too.
No, ja, se tudi glede mene je imel prav.
I'm not trying to be loving, unloving. I'm not trying to be
Se
unloving.
ne trudim biti neljubeč.
It's true. I would die for you unless you kill me first.
Res je, jaz bi bil pripravljen umreti zate, razen če me ti prva ne ubiješ.
But many times I feel like you just don't like who I am.
Mnogokrat si mislim, da ti enostavno tak, kakršen sem, sploh nisem všeč.
I feel like I'm never good enough.
In se mi zdi, kot da nisem nikoli dovolj dober zate.
I'm not thinking of ways to be unloving.
Se ne razmišljam kar naprej, kako bi bil neljubeč do tebe.
I'm just trying to guard myself
Ne.
against what I feel is disrespect for who I
Probam
am.
čuvati svoje srce, ker mislim, da si tako nespoštljiva do mene.
Really?
A res?
Yeah.
Ja.
If you have that conversation,
In če bi imeli tak pogovor drug z drugim,
some of you will begin to experience again what you first did when you met.
bi nekateri začeli ponovno izkušati to, kar ste občutili, ko ste se sprva srečali.
And in my book, I go deeper into how to get off that crazy
In v
cycle.
moji knjigi malce več razlagam o tem, kako izstopiti iz tega začaranega kroga.
And I explain more about that.
In bom tudi kasneje več razložil.
But one of the ways of getting off that crazy
Ampak
cycle
eden izmed načinov, kako izstopiti iz tega začaranega
is
kroga,
by getting on another cycle.
je ta, da vstopimo v drug krog.
If I asked you to stop thinking of the number 8 right now,
Če bi vas zdaj rekel, da nehajte razmišljati o številki 8.
stop thinking of the number 8.
Nehajte razmišljati o številki 8.
And when you stop, raise your hand.
In ko prenehate razmišljati, vzdignite roko.
Usually you have to replace the number 8 with the number 12.
Ponavadi moraš številko 8 zamenjati, na primer številko 12.
To stop thinking of the number 8, you've got to replace it with
Če
something
želiš
else.
prenehati razmišljati o številki 8, jo moraš zamenjati z eno drugo številko.
Otherwise, you'll just keep
Ker če
thinking of
ne,
the number
kar
8.
naprej razmišljaš, a ne o tem.
If I say stop the crazy cycle,
Če jaz rečem, nehaj zdaj biti v tem začaranem krogu,
you'll probably stay on the crazy
boste
cycle.
še kar naprej se vrteli. Ne?
So we have to replace that with
Torej-
something positive.
To moramo zamenjati z nečem pozitivnim
And that's the energizing cycle.
in vstopiti v poživljajoči krog.
His love
Njegova ljubezen
motivates
motivira
her respect.
njeno spoštovanje.
Her respect
Njeno spoštovanje
motivates
motivira
his love.
njegovo ljubezen.
The key to motivating another person
In ključ do motiviranja druge osebe
is meeting that person's deepest need,
je ta, da poskrbiš, da zadovoljiš njeno najglobjo potrebo.
especially during conflict.
Posebej v tem času spora.
But it's not natural.
Ampak to ni vam naravno.
It's not natural for a man to do the loving thing when he feels disrespected.
Ni naravno za moškega, da stori ljubeče dejanje takrat, ko se počuti nespoštovan.
It's not natural for a woman to do the respectful thing when she feels
In
unloved.
ni naravno za žensko, da stori neko spoštljivo zadevo, ko se počuti neljubljena.
However,
Ampak,
if we realize that the other person is not trying to be unloving or
če
disrespectful,
se pa zavedamo, da ta druga oseba ni zanalašč neljubeča oziroma nespoštljiva,
but is really crying out for love and respect,
ampak dejansko kliče po ljubezni oziroma spoštovanju
and they are feeling vulnerable,
in se počutijo v tistem trenutku ranljivi,
even though they appear offensive,
če ravno izgledajo tako nežaljivi, jezni,
we are empowered to soften their spirit.
smo v bistvu opremljeni z močjo in lahko umehčamo njihovo srce.
And I want to talk just briefly about what does that love look like to a woman, what does that respect look
In na
like to a man,
kratko-
and do that.
Želim govoriti, kako izgleda ta ljubezen za žensko in kako izgleda to spoštovanje za moškega in kako lahko to storimo.
One thing you can do toward a woman during these moments of conflict
Ena stvar, ki jo lahko storiš v odnosu do ženske v času tega spora, je tale.
and she's coming at you,
In ona prihaja zoper tebe
and we know she's 80% guilty,
in vemo, okay, da je 80% kriva,
we decide to own up to our
a
20%.
ne, ampak mi se odločimo, da sprejmemo odgovornost za svojih 20%.
And you don't have to do this perfectly.
In niti potrebno tega storiti povsem popolno.
You can be imperfect.
Lahko si povsem nepopoln.
All you have to do is this.
Vse, kar potrebuješ storiti, je tole.
Say, I'm sorry for being unloving,
Rečeš, žal mi je, ker sem bil tako neljubeč.
and be authentic,
In bodi iskren.
and don't say anything else.
In ničesar več ne reci.
Don't leave.
In ne odkorakati.
Some of you have never seen the miracle.
Nekateri še nikoli niste videli čudeža.
You don't realize how much power you
In
have.
se niti ne zavedate, koliko moči imate.
So you say, I'm sorry, will you forgive me for
Torej,
being unloving?
Rečeš, žal mi je, ali mi lahko odpustiš, ker sem bil tako neljubeč.
Watch what she does.
Glejte, kaj bo ona storila.
Well, I'm sorry too.
Pa tudi meni je žal, veš.
I shouldn't have said that.
Ne bi smela tega
I was
reči.
really bad.
Res sem bila slaba.
Will you forgive me?
A mi odpustiš ti meni?
See, some of you fear that if you make confession,
Nekateri se bojite, da če boste priznali svojo napako,
she's going to be even more
da bo
disrespectful.
ona še bolj nespoštljiva.
But that's not the way God has made her as a woman.
Ampak Bog je ni na tak način ustvaril kot ženske.
All the documentation is that women say, I'm sorry all the time.
Vse dokumentacije trdijo, da ženske kar naprej govorijo, žal mi je.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Joj, žal mi je.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Joj, oprosti.
And she means two things by that.
In s tem misli dve stvari.
I sorrow with you, I
A
empathize
ne,
with you,
žal mi je, sočustvujem s teboj,
but I'm sorry, I apologize.
ali pa žal mi je, ker se upravičujem.
Deborah Tannen, the great linguist in the United
Debra
States,
Tannen je čudovita lingvistka, dela v Združenih državah Amerike
has studied this.
in je to preučevala.
Women are saying, I'm sorry all the time,
Ženske kar naprej govorijo, žal mi je,
but we don't listen.
ampak mi jih ne poslušamo.
You start listening,
A ne? Začnite poslušati
you'll be stunned.
in boste presenečeni.
And why does she do that?
In zakaj ona to počne?
Because she has a great sensitivity to other people's feelings.
Zato, ker je izredno občutljiva na čustva drugih ljudi.
And when you say, I'm sorry,
In ko ti rečeš, žal mi je,
she will reciprocate.
bo ona se odzvala nazaj.
She'll immediately reconcile.
Takoj se bo želela spraviti.
She'll immediately confess.
Takoj bo sama priznala.
The only exception
Edinokrat, kadar je to izjema,
is right after this seminar,
je po tem seminarju,
when she says to you,
ko ti bo rekla,
you're just doing that because Emerson told you
ti
to.
to delaš samo zato, ker ti je Emerson to povedal.
But this is a loving thing to do.
Ampak to je izredno ljubeča stvar, ki jo lahko
Just
storite.
acknowledging that you were unloving.
Da enostavno priznaš, da si bil neljubeč.
But let me make two comments on how to energize each other.
No, in naj dam še dva komentarja, kako lahko poživimo drug drugega.
I call it her face-to-face need to talk
Jaz se rečem, to je njena potreba, da se pogovarja s teboj iz oči v oči.
and his need for shoulder-to-shoulder relationship without talking.
On ima potrebo po tem odnosu rame ob rami brez pogovarjanja.
The second point is very foreign to women.
A ne, ta druga stvar, ki sem jo povedal, je ženskam izredno tuja.
I'll explain in just a
To
moment.
bom kasneje razložil.
But what about her need for face-to-face talking?
Ampak kaj je ta potreba, njena potreba, da se pogovarja iz oči v oči?
When she is in need, she moves toward you to talk
Ko je
face-to-face.
ima ona potrebo, se premakne naprej, zato da se pogovarja s tabo iz oči v oči.
But we don't want to.
Ampak mi si tega ne želimo.
especially when her face is sour, eyes dark.
Posebej, a ne, kadar ima obraz kot limona, oči potemnijo in vse
We
tisti
prefer just to
znaki,
leave.
takrat bi raje vsi šli.
But she's not trying to be disrespectful.
Ampak ona se ne trudi, ni za nalašč
She's needing
nespoštljiva.
our strength and
Ona
reassurance.
potrebuje našo moč in potrebuje naše zagotovilo.
But why are women like this?
Ampak zakaj se ženske odzivajo na tak način?
Research was done on infants.
A ne, in delali so raziskavo na novorojenčkih.
The big debate is nurture or nature,
In
which comes first?
velika debata je bila, ali je najprej narava ali je najprej pač to
chicken or the
negovanje.
egg?
Kaj je najprej, kokoš ali jajce?
So they wanted to observe infant girls in the crib
V zibelki so opazovali deklice novorojenčice,
before there was socialization.
a ne, preden se začne ta proces socializacije.
This baby girl began to open her eyes and look around.
In ta dojenčica je odprla svoje oči in začela gledati naokrog.
And they stood humans around the crib.
In okrog so postavili ljudi, okrog zibelke.
And they wanted to evaluate how much
In
she made eye contact with the human
Želeli
eyes.
so oceniti, kolikokrat je ona sposobna vzpostaviti ta očesni stik z ljudmi.
These infant girls looked at the human eyes
In-
almost 100% of the time.
In te novorojenčice so skoraj 100% gledale v oči teh odraslih ljudi.
They didn't look at the shoulder,
Niso gledale v njihova
they didn't
ramena,
look at the neck,
ne v vrat,
they looked right into the
ampak
eyes.
direktno v oči.
This is within her nature.
To je v njeni naravi.
She can't not look at the human eye.
Ona enostavno ne more, da ne bi gledala v oči.
Then they evaluated infant boys.
In potem so analizirali dečke novorojenčke.
He was in the crib,
On je bil tudi v zibki
looking around.
in gledal naokrog.
They had humans
A
standing
ne,
around the
ravno
crib.
tako so okrog njega stali ljudje.
And he made eye contact with the human
In
eyes
tudi on je naredil česni stik z ljudmi,
until he saw the ceiling
dokler
fan.
ni zagledal stropa.
Now we know this,
In to vemo.
but we don't pay attention to it.
Ampak nismo pozorni na te stvari.
She grows up, he grows up.
In ona odraste in
She
tudi
wants to
on
look.
odraste. Ona ga želi gledati
He
v
wants to
oči.
look away.
On pa hoče gledati proč.
They've done studies of alpha males in a wolf pack.
In potem so delali raziskave med volkovi, med alfa volkovi
You've got the senior alpha
v
male.
kardelu in imaš tega glavnega alfa
Junior alpha
volka in mlajšega volka
They both go through for the meat.
in oba probata napasti isto meso.
And will the junior
Pojesti.
alpha male take on the senior?
A bo ta mladi alfa volk napadel tega starejšega?
Will there be a fight to the death?
A se bosta spopadla do smrti?
The junior alpha male decides no.
In ta mlajši volk se odloči, da ne.
What does he do?
Kaj on stori?
He puts his shoulder in the dirt,
A ne?
spout in the dirt,
Svojo
and
ramo
looks away.
da v tla, porine v tla in pogleda proč.
It's a sign of deference and honor.
In to je znak časti in umika.
He looks away saying, I don't want to fight.
On pogleda proč in s tem pojasni, reče, v bistvu jaz se ne želim boriti.
When your little boy is playing a game
In ko se vaš mali dečko igra zunaj
and he accidentally knocks over a little girl who walked in
Na-
between him and the ball,
na igrišču in po nesreči podre deklico, ki je šla med njim in med unim fantkom, ki sta se žogala.
in our culture, many women are telling these little boys to say they're
In
sorry.
v naši kulturi, a ne, mnogo mamic reče potem tem fantkom, da
By
se
saying,
morajo upravičiti.
Look at her, look
A ne,
at her.
Reče, poglej jo v
Look
oči.
at her
No,
and say
glej,
you're sorry.
Poglej jo, reči, da ti je žal, reči, da ti je žal, poglej jo.
I'm going to medicate you,
No, dej, če ne ti bom dala zdravilo.
but if you let him say he's sorry based on his nature, watch what
Če
will
mu
happen.
pa dovoliš, da reče, žal mi je v skladu z njegovo naravo, poglejte, kaj se bo zgodilo.
Roke, I know you're a young boy of honor.
Rok, jaz vem, da si ti dečko časti.
You tell her you're sorry.
Povej, da ti je žal.
I'm sorry.
Žal mi je.
So now in male-female relationship,
In sedaj v tem odnosu med moškimi in
she
ženskami,
wants you to look at her.
ona želi, da jo ti gledaš v oči.
You want to look away.
Ti pa hočeš pogledati proč.
And you will look away if you think she's picking a fight.
In boš pogledal proč, če boš mislil, da te provocira, da se želi prerekati s tabo.
But if you see the little girl in her womanhood,
Če pa boš videl to malo deklico v tej odrasli ženski,
that she's confronting to connect,
da te konfrontira zato, ker se želi povezati s teboj,
she's looking at you because she needs reassurance that you love her,
da ona gleda vate zato, ker potrebuje zagotovilo tvoje ljubezni,
then as a man of honor, you do the loving thing.
potem kot mož časti storiš ljubeče dejanje,
even though it will never feel natural.
če ravno se ne boš v tem počutil domače.
And that's okay. There's nothing wrong
To je
with you.
povsem v redu, nič ni narobe s teboj.
You're a man of honor
Ti si mož časti,
who does the loving thing,
ki stori ljubeče dejanje,
even though you'll never feel it.
tudi če tega ne občuti.
And that's okay.
In to je povsem okej.
There is nothing wrong with you.
Nič ni narobe s teboj.
I say that because there are people around the world who say there's something wrong with
To
you as
povem
males.
zaradi tega, ker obstajajo ljudje na svetu, ki pravijo, da je z vami moškimi nekaj povsem narobe.
Because you don't respond to conflict like women do.
Zato, ker se ne odzivate v konfliktu na način, kot se ženske
In
odzivajo.
fact, when you feel offended, you go off by yourself.
Pravzaprav, ko ste vi užaljeni in prizadeti, odkorakate sami proč.
And you don't badmouth your woman to other men because it's not
In
honorable.
ne govorite slabo o svoji ženski drugim moškim, zato ker se zavedate, da to ni častno.
So we stay quiet.
Torej, ostanemo tiho.
But people videotape us as though we're unloving. Look at what he
Ampak
did.
ljudje nas snemajo in rečejo, poglej, kaj je naredil, glej, koliko je neljubeč.
And they see her crying.
In vidijo njo, ki joka.
All the girls are
In
around her hugging.
vsa dekleta so okrog nje in jo objemajo.
Then she goes on a talk
In
show.
potem ona gre na en talk show, pogovorno oddajo v živo.
And so we have this empathy toward women, but
Torej-
we don't toward men.
Imamo sočutje do žensk, ampak nimamo sočutja do moških.
And some men are beginning to doubt themselves.
In nekateri moški začnejo potem dvomiti sami vase.
Maybe there's something wrong with me.
Mogoče je nekaj narobe z menoj.
No, you're a man of honor
Ne, ti si mož časti,
who does the loving thing
ki stori ljubeče dejanje
by staying in place,
s tem, da ostane na svojem mestu,
saying, I'm sorry for the 10% I did wrong,
ki reče, žal mi je za tistih 10%, ki jih je storil narobe,
looking her right in the eyes.
in jo pogleda direkt v oči
Will you forgive me?
in reče, ali mi odpustiš.
And she'll die right there.
In ona bo umrla tam na mestu.
This is power.
Tukaj je moč.
Power.
Moč.
You can become a benevolent dictator.
In lahko postanete nek dobrovoljni diktator,
And she wants to be motivated this way.
ker ona želi biti motivirana na tak
She wants to
način.
be influenced
Ona
this way.
želi biti vplivana na tak način.
She will soften and make your favorite dessert.
In takrat se bo omehčala in ti pripravila najljubšo sladico.
You have to do this authentically.
Ampak to morate storiti iskreno,
There's a fine line between motivation and
ker
manipulation.
obstaja zelo tenka linija med motivacijo in manipulacijo.
You don't say, I've been loving today, can we have sex?
Ne rečeš, joj, danes sem bil tako ljubeč do tebe, a bova seksala.
Ladies, what about the respect side?
Dame, kaj pa ta stvar o spoštovanju?
I want you just to test something out.
Želim, da nekaj testirate.
He calls you to be with him.
A ne, on vas vabi, da ste z njim.
Not all men, but most men.
Ne vsi moški, ampak večina.
Come be with me while I'm watching the
A
game.
ne, prid, used se tukaj z mano, ko gledam tekmo.
But you say, I don't have
Ker
time.
rečeš, ne, veš kaj, nimam časa za tole.
If you want to talk, I have time.
Ja, no, če bi se hotel pogovarjati, imam čas.
But I don't have time just to
Ampak
sit here.
nimam časa, da bi sedela tukaj zraven tebe.
But you need to understand something.
Ampak morate nekaj razumeti.
He has a need that you don't have.
On ima potrebo, katero ve nimate.
And your mere presence energizes him.
In enostavno vaša prisotnost ga enostavno poživlja.
Think of your little boy, ladies.
Pomislite na svojega sinčka, dame.
He wants you to watch him.
On želi, da ga gledate.
You're married to a man who has a little boy within him.
In tudi poročene ste z dečkom, z odraslim moškim, ki ima dečka v sebi.
As a woman, you think if we talk heart to heart, the relationship will be
Kot
wonderful.
ženska si mislite, če se bova od srca do srca pogovarjala, bo najin odnos čudovit.
We will feel great.
A ne, krasno se bova počutila.
No, you feel great.
Ne, ve se boste počutile krasno.
That's why when you say, can we talk,
Zato je to potem, ko rečete, a se lahko pogovoriva?
what do I do now?
No, kaj sem pa zdaj spet narobe naredil?
He does not feel as comfortable about that as you
A ne,
do.
njemu ni tako udobno v tem, kakor je vam.
You feel wonderful after a good heart-to-heart talk.
Ve se, izvrstno počutite po enem takem pogovoru iz srca do srca.
And I just encouraged him to do that towards you.
In jaz tudi ohrabrim moške, da naj to storijo v odnosu z
But there are
vami.
two people in this relationship.
Ampak v tem odnosu sta dve osebi.
And many men just enjoy the wife being with him
In mnogi moški enostavno uživajo, ko je žena poleg njega.
maybe doing some activity together,
Ko mogoče skupaj počneta neko aktivnost.
or you watching him.
Ali pa ko ga ti samo opazuješ.
We had a man that came to our conference,
A ne, bil je en moški, ki je prišel na našo konferenco
He was painting the back of his house,
in malo je zadnjo stran hiše
and he saw his wife in the window.
in zagledal je ženo na oknu.
He said, "Come out here and be with me."
Prid sem, bod z mano.
She came out and started talking.
Ona je prišla do njega in začela govoriti.
I don't want to talk.
Rekel, nočem se zdaj pogovarjati.
She said, "You got to want to talk."
Rekel, ja, seveda se hočeš pogovarjati.
I don't got to want to talk.
Ne, nočem se zdaj pogovarjati.
You got to want to talk because you called me out here.
Ja, se hočeš pogovarjati, se si me zato poklical.
I don't got to want to talk because I called you out here.
Nočem se pogovarjati s
She
tabo, nisem te
stomped
zato poklical. In ona odkoraka.
Got a huge fight.
In ima sta grozen zdaj prepir.
But then she heard me at the conference.
In potem je bila na konferenci in me je slišala.
He had not finished the back of the house, so he was painting again.
On še ni dokončal hiše z malanjem.
She came out and got a chair,
In ona je prišla ven, je prinesla stol
just sat in it.
in se je poleg njega usedla.
She didn't have a book,
Ni imela knjige,
and she just focused on him
enostavno ga je gledala,
without talking.
brez govorjenja.
She saw a miracle.
In zagledala je čudež.
She saw his spirit just
In
lighten up.
ona je
Energy.
zagledala, kako je bil on poživljen.
She watched him for a half hour,
In tako ga je pol ure opazovala.
and then she got up and she said, "That energized you, didn't it?"
In potem je ostala in rekla, a ne, to te je pa tako poživilo.
He said, "Oh, yes.
O ja,
You have no idea."
pojma nimaš.
She said, "I know."
Reka, vem.
One man said, I'm close to my wife now.
In en moški rekel, no, zdaj sva si pa ženo zares blizu.
I hold her hand everywhere we go,
Vsakič jo držim za roko, kamorkoli greva.
because when I let go, she shops.
Ker kadarkoli jo spustim, gre v šoping.
But ladies, on the shoulder-to-shoulder thing,
Ampak dame, v tej aktivnosti rame ob rami
there's another thing you can do to energize your man.
je še ena stvar, ki jo lahko storite, da poživite svojega moža.
Have you ever written him a love note that he didn't keep?
Ali ste mu kdaj napisali kakšno ljubezensko pisance, ki ga on ni zadržal?
You said, I love you, I love you, I love
Si
you.
napisali ljubim te, ljubim te, ljubim te in srčki in
Pink heart,
roza srčki,
X's and O's.
XJ-oji
And then you gave it to
in
him.
potem si mu jo izročila.
And the next day you came into the room where you had given it to him.
In naslednji dan si vstopila v to sobo, kjer si mu to izročila.
He was in the room,
In on je bil v sobi.
and you're looking around for the
In
card you
ti
gave him.
gledaš, kje pa je una kartica.
Where's
Kje pa
well, you
je?
threw it in the wastebasket.
Strasil,
You threw it
ti si
away.
jo vrgu. Kar
Well, I read
si jo
it.
vrgu. No, saj sem jo prebral.
I read it.
Sem jo prebral.
Got the information.
Sem
Thank
dobil
you.
informacijo, hvala.
If I could share with you how to write a note that he wouldn't throw away, are you interested?
Če bi z vami podelil, kako mu napisati pisance, brez da bi ga on vrgel proč, ali bi vas to zanimalo?
It's what I call a respect note.
In to jaz imenujem kartica spoštovanja.
You could say something like this.
Lahko bi rekli nekaj takega,
I
naprimer.
was thinking about you after listening to Emerson,
A ne, potem, ko sem poslušala Emersona, sem razmišljala o tebi,
that you would literally die for me.
da bi bil dobesedno pripravljen umreti zame.
That is an overwhelming thought to me.
Ta misel me je kar preplavila.
Thank you.
Hvala ti.
Then sign it this
In
way.
potem podpišite na tak način.
With all my respect,
Z vsem svojim spoštovanjem.
the one who still admires you,
Ta, ki te še vedno občuduje,
he won't throw that card away.
te kartice ne bo vrgel proč.
In fact,
Pravzaprav,
there are men who begin to cry in our conference at this moment.
na naših konferencah možje dobijo solzne oči ob tej zgodbi,
This is deep.
ker jim je to globoko.
He's not wrong.
On ni napačen,
He's just different.
on je samo drugačen.
And though we're equal,
In če ravno smo enakovredni,
we're not the same.
nismo enaki.
And when you see the spirit of your partner deflate,
In ko vidite, kako partnerju upade duh, ko je prizadet,
in all probability she's feeling unloved,
a ne, in po vsej verjetnosti se ona v tistem hipu počuti neljubljeno.
will we dismiss her as childish,
In ko jo označimo, da je otročja,
Or say, did I do something that felt unloving to you?
Lahko pa tudi rečemo, ali sem storil nekaj, kar se ti je zdelo neljubeče.
Even though we're feeling disrespected at that.
Če ravno se sami počutimo nespoštovane v tistem
Will we
trenutku,
discover the power we have to touch her heart?
takrat bomo odkrili, kakšno moč imamo, s katero se lahko dotaknemo njenega srca.
And you ladies, will
In
you
ve, dame,
dismiss your man's need for respect?
ali boste kar odpravile moževo potrebo po spoštovanju?
Egotistical.
On je egoističen.
Or does he have a need that you don't have?
Ali pa ima morda on potrebo, katero ve nimate?
Does he interpret you in a way that you don't interpret things?
Ali si on interpretira stvari na način, kot si ve, ne?
Will you judge him as childish?
Ali ga boste obsodili, kot da je otroči?
Or say, did I say or do something
Ali
that felt
pa boste
disrespectful?
rekli, ali sem morda storila ali rekla nekaj, kar si občutil kot nespoštovanje?
If you do, watch what
In
happens.
če to storite, potem gledajte, kaj se bo zgodilo.
Or you write that note,
Potem, ko boste napisali to sporočilce
that
zanj,
respect card.
to kartico spoštovanja.
He won't throw that card
Te
away.
kartice ne bo vrgal proč.
He'll take it to his office and set it on his desk.
Pravzaprav jo bo odnesel v svojo pisarno in si jo dal na mizico.
And then one of his buddies will come into the
In
office.
potem bo en izmed njegovih prijateljev prišel v pisarno.
Oh, did she give you another card?
Ti je še eno kartico dala, a?
Cutie, cutie,
Kako srčkano, kaj?
Does she have purple hearts?
A ti narisala vijolične srčke, pa X-e, pa smeško te pa to.
What'd she say to you
No, kaj ti
this
pa
time?
tokrat pravi?
What'd she say?
No, kaj ti pravi?
Does she have a sister?
A ima ona še kakšno sestro?
Let's take a 20-minute break.
Bomo imeli 20-minutno pauzo.